I'm grateful that I had the opportunity to present at NSCA Conference in Kansas City. I always love connecting with sports practitioners and sharing the knowledge that we have obtained through research studies that we conduct here in Jayhawk Athletic Performance Lab. So my first presentation was focused on examining biomechanics of basketball shooting motions and application of markerless motion capture technology, which I think is the future of sports science, which can allow sports scientists to analyze, in this case, basketball-specific motion in a real time and in a non-invasive and time-efficient manner. The second presentation was to summarize research, basketball research that we have done in our lab, as well as offer future directions where we are going. So to summarize what we have done and what we're working on right now to address unanswered questions in basketball scientific literature. My research is wide, however, it is usually 70% of what I do, it spins around the sport of basketball because it's the game that's close to my heart, the game that I played, and something that I would really like to contribute as a sports scientist and practitioner in this field. I see a topic of fatigue that's spinning around basketball, and I think that right now we're at a time point that there is a lot of technology and equipment that's quantifying the outcomes of fatigue, right? When the athletes are performing specific actions on court or on field, right? We're trying to quantify, well, how did that impact their physical performance abilities, right? But I think that something that's missing right now is that in-game or in-practice performance analysis. And I think by technology development and where everything is going in sports science, that has capability to address those unanswered questions related to athletes' performance, optimizing performance, as well as minimizing risk for injury. And when we talk about injury, right, in order for athletes to get injured, hopefully not, but in order for them to get injured, they have to be exposed to performance stimulus, or they have to be on court and playing, right? So if we can address specific deficiencies and we can see how we can optimize their performance or minimize the chance for injury occurrence, then we as a sports scientist have contributed as a part of a multidisciplinary team to a large group of practitioners working with these athletes.